So guys, today we are going to study about a web design. Okay, that how we can design a website. So guys, like we had studied that to design a website, we should be good with HTML, we should be good with CSS, we should be good with JavaScript. Okay, somewhere we require this as a jQuery. So we require this jQuery as well. Okay, in the CSS, we'll have CSS, then CSS3. In HTML, we'll have HTML and then HTML5. Okay, so see, it is very difficult somehow to good in that. But if you know some basic section of these programming language, so based on that, what we can do, we can create a good web interface by using a framework. That framework is Bootstrap. So guys, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a very powerful framework that have everything. Okay, that have a good design. Okay, that have the components, the container, multiple sections are there. With the help of this Bootstrap, you can design any website. Whatever website you require, you can design with this Bootstrap framework. So how we are going to design a website? So let's start the implementation. So I'll have this Visual Studio Code. You can use any editor. You can use Eclipse. You can use Sublime, anything. So let me create a file. So I'll just go to File and then New File. So let me name it as index.html. Okay, so this should be the file and this will be my location where it will going to save as index.html. Fine. So this is a file. Now, how we are going to write a Bootstrap code? So first of all, see, if we are going to write any HTML code, so we require this HTML tag, then body tag. We also require head tag somewhere to put script, everything. In that you can have a title. Okay, like first page, anything. Okay, and then inside body, you can put like say H2. Hello. Looks fine. So now let me close this. So where I created that. So this is my HTML page, which was created in a specific location. Okay. So if I'm if I'll go and run this code, so what happened? 1 second, let me open this location. That is somewhere in D drive. And then do we have a framework? 1 second. Let me check this project. Yeah. So there I'll have that folder and this is my index.html file. Let me open this with Chrome. So what is the output? So that seems very simple. Hello. Now see, I just want a Bootstrap framework. So what website we require? The website which we require, that is get bootstrap.com. Okay, this is the website. So I'll just go copy paste this on URL. So guys, this will be the home page of Bootstrap framework. Now see, you can use this offline if you want. You can use this online based on your choice. Okay, so I'll suggest that please use this online template. But how we are going to use that? So guys, you can see that this build fast responsive site with Bootstrap. What is responsive? So responsive website is, see, if I'm going to minimize this page, so you can see the view. See, if I'll extend, just see, nothing lost, like no content will hiding, nothing. This is the feature of Bootstrap. Now let me maximize this, control space X. Okay. Now see how we are going to use this in my system. So guys, we'll have this docs option. Let me click on this docs. And once I'll click on docs, I'll find a couple of suggestion or a couple of template which are provided by this Bootstrap. Quick start. Okay, that will give you all the demo. On left hand side, you'll find that on left navigation bar, we'll have a couple of things which are having getting started. Download is there. JavaScript, Webpack, multiple section. Customize is there. There it can use SAS, right? Layout we'll have breakpoint, container, grid, column, content, we'll have multiple contents, forms, we'll have components, we'll have everything, whatever we required in HTML as a template, I mean, as a component, everything is available there. So how we are going to use that? So guys, if once I'll scroll down, so I'll find this. This will be the template which have the CDN link. What is CDN? CDN is content delivery network. And in this, what we'll have, see, Bootstrap provides us two CDN. First for CSS and second for JS, that is for JavaScript. So it means you will get all the inbuilt CSS coding which had done by Bootstrap itself, which will help you design your component very easily. Like, see, we'll face, I mean, a difficulty when we are going to create any website with this like our CSS, external CSS, but there we'll have inbuilt CSS. What you require, you should know that how to design a page. So there it is printing in H1 hello world. So let me copy this, only this section. One second, let me copy this line and let me paste it on my code. Okay. Oh, sorry, that is not copied, I think. Not seems copied. Yes, copied. Let me save this. And now let me run this code. So I'll get this type of output. Okay, this is without Bootstrap. Now let me copy the Bootstrap template. You can simply click on this button and that will get copied. Now what I'll do, I'll just replace my all code, Control A, delete, Control V, Control S. Now my file is saved. And now let me check, is there any difference between this hello world? I'm going to refresh. Just see the difference. Same tag, everything is same. But that, see how this design changed because of Bootstrap. Okay, now let's design our page. So guys, what is the total size of this web page? So the total size is 12, which is fixed. So how we are going to divide our page? For example, see, you require this type of interface where you required somewhere like this is your separation with the heading upper part. There you require the left navigation bar. Okay, somewhere in center you require your body, and on this right side, for example, you require a login panel, and in the bottom you require the footer. So how you are going to divide this page in that section? So if you notice, see, this is a row, a complete row with one column, this side. This is first column with some size. This is second column with some size. And this is third column with some size. So guys, that column you can design according to your size. So how we are going to do this? So let me design this according to my requirement. 1 second, let me remove this. Perfect. Okay, so how I'm going to divide this page? So guys, as I tell you, all pages are combination of row and column, right? And this should comes under a container. So we are going to cover everything, whatever is required to design a website. So first of all, I'll go back to this official website, and once I'll scroll down, so there, scroll up, I'll find a container. So what is container? So container is everything. See, where I'll have this web page, that web page is inside a container. And in container, we'll have, first is container, and second, we'll have a container fluid. And remember, see, that Bootstrap work with class. So whatever you are going to create, that will work with class. So container is a class, container fluid is a class, row is a class, column is a class, everything is a class. So what I'll do, let me see, paste the container, and you see the size. That is designed for everything. Container, and this is the size of your device. Like, say, if you are using device which is having less than 576 pixel, greater than that, medium, large, this, large, extra large. So that is for full HD devices, okay, of big size. Accordingly, you can select any of them, but see, we'll have that section: container, SM, small, medium, MD, large, extra large, double XL, and then fluid. So I'm going to implement all of them step by step. Now, this is the syntax of container, the very small syntax. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this and paste it inside my body. Guys, how you can create a good code? Just scroll down, give some getup, some space we require, and let me paste this container there. So content can become here, whatever you are going to do. And let me paste another container. That container we are going to use later, and one more container. So what is this? First container is for the first section. Second container is for the left navigation bar, your body, your login page. And the last one is for your footer. So now we are going to create, like, see, we'll have this hello world. And apart from this, I want some navigation bar, some like the navigation bar like this, see, like this navigation bar. So where I can find that? Once I'll scroll down, so in component, I'll find this option, nav bar, navs and tabs. So you can use any of them. If I'm going to click on this nav, so I'll find this option, seems good. Okay, that option, multiple option. Let me check on nav bar, what I'll have in this nav bar. Okay, so I'll have this, that looks fine. So let me copy that and paste it inside the container. See, in this, somewhere between line number 12 to 16, I'll just paste and let me save. And once I'll scroll down, you can see that there is a getup, so that we can easily identify which div is for which section. So let me save this code, Control S. Let me go back to my page and refresh. So you can see that we got this. Okay, why that section is showing this much gap? That is because of container. If you are going to use container fluid, so that will give you very minimum gap. Okay, and instead of this container, if you are going to use container fluid, Control S, I'll go back, refresh, just see. Now there is a very small gap between them that you can analyze with this hello. If you are going to put this hello world, like if you are going to create a website for your company, let me cut this, and there you can name it. This is XYZ tag. Okay, so for example, this is your company. If you are going to refresh, so that is there now, XYZ tag. Okay, in that section, you can rename like navigation bar, and instead of this navigation bar, you can change this to home page. Looks good. And that will reflect it there. See, that is home now. Now, second, whatever you want, contact us, whatever you want that you can put there. 1 second, there. Like about us. Control S. Refresh, you'll get about us. There you will get a drop down. In this drop down, you will have a separator. Okay, anything, whatever you want that you can change accordingly, and you can provide a link to redirect it to connect to next page. Okay, so that section is done. Now we are going to design our body section. That you can consider as a header as well if you want. Okay, anything you can put there. Now what I want, see, what I'll tell you, that we need to divide this page. And how we are going to divide this page? So guys, to divide a page, we required grid. And with the help of this grid, you can divide your page. So what is the code for grid? See, this code is div class equals to row. Okay, and in this row, now you are going to put a column. So we'll have first column, div, control space, class equals to column. So if you are going to define 3 columns with equal size, so you'll get in this row, first column, second column, third column. Let me save that. And let me name that as 1, 2, 3. If I'll refresh the space, so what is my output? Like this, 1, 2, 3. So 1 is there, we'll have the space approximate 4, and then 4, and then this will be 3. All right, because that is inside a container. So now, if you'll change the size, like see, if I want a left side of 3, center, I need some more content. So I'll just going with 6, and there I also want 3. Now, see, if I'll refresh, just see the change. Now, that 2 shifted to left side and 3 shifted to right side because of the size. Okay, that seems good, but let me provide a space by using our tag, which is BR. So BR gives some space, BR. Okay, so that shifted down. Now what I want, on left-hand side, I need a navigation bar. Okay, the vertical navigation. So where I'll go and found So I'll just click on this navs and tabs. Once I'll scroll down. So see, these are the horizontal alignment and this is the vertical alignment. Now I'll just copy. See what you record, only copy and paste. That's it. You're just going to copy and just put it there. Let me give some getup. Okay, so this is your column. Let me remove one, press enter, and let me copy that. Now, what is my output? Refresh, that is there. Now you can change this accordingly. Once again, we don't want this disabled. That disabled does not look good. Li is list tag, right? A is an anchor tag, everything we have, but Bootstrap works with classes. Let me paste, 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 your choice. Now refresh, I'll get this. So there you can put the same thing, home, about us, contact us, service, okay, career, anything, whatever you want that you can rename like this. See, if I'm going to rename that. So this is about us, save. And then services, client, whatever you want that you can put there. Refresh, that is there. Okay, accordingly you can change. And see, once you'll hover your mouse over there, you will find this hand symbol. It means that is associated with anchor tag. That is there, the anchor tag. Fine. Now what I want, guys, I want some moving sections, some moving pictures there. So did Bootstrap provide something? Of course. Bootstrap gives us something which is known as browser. That is there. This option. See, you can explore multiple options. I'm just going to show you some basic steps that how you can design your website, how you can design your web page. So this, see, that type of section you want to implement like this. Okay, so we'll have the code already there. Now let me copy this code and let me paste it in this section, in the second section. Guys, separation is required. If you don't have enough space between this div tag, so you got confused. Now that is copied, but now when I'm going to refresh, I'll not get anything there. See, I'll just get this image. Why? Because I don't have any image over there. It required image source. Do I have any image? No, I don't have. So let me download some images. Like I'll go and download nature wallpaper. Anything you can download. So this image looks good. Right click, save image as that I'm just using for reference purpose. Okay. Let me download to there like one. Okay, this is first image, this is second image. Right click, save image as to just see the format that they all are in JPG. And some more. Let me go with that. Right click, save image as 3. Okay, so now I'll have 3 images. They are in download. Let me open my download, Control J, open that download folder. Let me copy all of them. And guys, that images we required in our project location, that is there. Let me paste them. Okay, now they are at the same level. Otherwise, you need to provide the complete path. See, automatically that will fetch in this. So let me rename this to 11.jpg, Control S. Second image which we require, 22.jpg, Control S. Third we require 33.jpg, Control S. Okay, looks nice. Well, it reflect. Let me refresh this. Okay, there. Now there we'll have images. Okay, that is showing somewhere in the center. If you want to add anything else, any story, anything, so that you can go with a text, so using paragraph, and there you will find a small arrow. Like if you want to show something about your company details or anything. So that is there. Now we'll have these 3 images. Okay, looks good. Now on right side, we require a login panel. So guys, either you need to perform the complete code, but that is again not suggestible. So what I'll just go to this get Bootstrap and let me type form. See, we'll have that form module. but I'll tell you, forms. So automatically that will open the form section that is there. And this should look the login panel, right? Now let me copy this code and I'm just going to paste it in this third row. Paste, save. Okay, now let me check. Refresh, I'll get this login panel on left side. And what is the beauty of this login panel? Let me put an email ID, SS, password is 12345 anything. And once I'll click on submit, you will find that required @ It means validation is already there. You don't require the validation. So @ and then submit. Now what it required is still your mail ID is not completed. So let me go with this gmail.com. Now that is completed. See, we are not performing anything. That's why this box is blank. All right, looks good. Now, once I'll scroll down, so there is nothing in the bottom. Right. So what I want a footer in my bottom section. So how I'm going to put that footer? So I'll have this container if you remember. Right. But let me test that. Hi. Okay. And let me see that is showing there somewhere without any space. So I'll just need to type a BR tag to provide a space. And there I want a footer. So how I'm going to add a footer? So I'll just go and open this website and let me type header and footer. HEADER header. See, one second. There I'll have a header and footer. Once I'll click on it, that will shows you this header and footer section. Scroll down, images, list group. Okay, that does stop. There I'll have the header and footer. So this does not look good. This one. This looks good, huh? So what I'll do, I'll just copy this and paste it in that section. Paste. So there what you can do this is, see what is my output. Let me check. Refresh. So I'll get this footer in the bottom. And instead of this, you can find your own content like @ copyright to XYZ technology. Right. Developed by whatever you want that you can put there. You can provide a contact us, anything, because see, designing is your choice. See, @ copyright to XYZ technology, contact us on. And otherwise what you can do once again, Control X, welcome to XYZ, once again, technology, and that you can put there. Copyright to XYZ technology. Now let me refresh. See, that seems good. So this is the way how you can design your website. Now see, like if you want to link this page to any other page, like say if you want to declare something about us, so how you are going to do that? So what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste it there, the index page, and let me name it as about. I'll have this page about a new page, but I need to link this page. Like, see, if I want to click on this about us or on this about us, so I need to provide my link. Now, see, at this point of time, if I'm going to click on about us, then what happened? I'll get a stop with hash keyword. Let me reload this page. See, there is no hash now. Once I'll click on this, once I'll click this about us, I'll get this hash because your page is not moving anywhere. That's why it is hash. So we need to change this. Okay, so where I'll have about us, I can find there. Okay, so let me rename this to about.html. Looks good. And somewhere we'll also have this about us. Okay, one second. About there. So let me replace this hash with about.html. Looks good. Okay. Now if I'll go and refresh, and now if I'm going to click on that, that will redirect me to this page. But no changes are there, guys, because we had not put anything in this about.html. So let me open that page and let me remove this. Okay, this is the left navigation bar, this section. Okay, and there you want to put some content about your company or about anything. So you can put type. So this div should be closed. Now, and anything, whatever you want, like in H6, that my company was, working for anything, working for web development, web designing, anything. Okay, or let me copy this as a content, paste, 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 paste. All right. Now, see, if you click on that, so this content which we are getting in the center. So you can write your own content, whatever you want. And based on that, you can go for the next page creation. Okay. In the same way, what you do, see, what is my suggestion? You already have this index page. Just copy and paste this page. Okay. N number of times. And just rename that with these services. This is services. Okay. And now this is like contact us like this. So that will redirect you to that respective location. Like, see, if you'll change this to contact us. Okay, so this link. So let me change this link to contact us. But if you are going to perform this on first page, so that should be changed to all the pages like this. Contact us. Okay, and there you must have that page with contact.html. Right now, I don't have that page. That's why it's not showing as a suggestion. Okay, and now I need to rename the same way, guys, the same way we required F2 contact. Now you'll have this page, contact there. And there what you can do, again, you can remove, one second, what I'll do, let me copy everything. Let me remove everything and let me paste the about data. Why? Because there you can put the contact detail of your company. Okay, like H5. Reach us. There you can provide your mail ID like @email. Okay, anything. And then phone number like this. Phone number like this. Okay. So we'll have multiple tags as well. Okay, so you can use those tags. Looks good. So let me refresh this. Okay, so this is about. See, I had not performed changes on about, remember. I had performed changes on index only. So there is index.html. There I'll have contact us. Once I'll click on contact us, so this type of section. See, in most of the website, this section remains same. This section remains same. This section remains same. The only change is in the center part because no one will going to check whatever you had created. Right now, is this website is responsive? Let me check. So if I'll go and minimize this, so this type of output I'm getting. Let me minimize it more. See, just see. Now this menu is converted in this way. It means this website is responsive. Okay. Now that seems good, huh? According to the page size. But once I'll let me shrink it. Okay, minimize. Now this menu is there. Now let me go more with that. Okay. One second. See, no changes. The page remains same. Everything is completed over there. Okay, so this is all about the Bootstrap. You can find this website. That is, you can use this getbootstrap.com. You can use all of the component, any component over there. I'll provide this code in GitHub. Right? All right, guys. Thank you.